Hi there and welcome to Ashworth Farms Limited Open Farm Day video for 2021. Last year's video was a traditional farm tour. This year, I'm taking you out into the field. To feed our dairy herd, there's lots that goes on outside of the barn. You're going to get a glimpse into that now. To start our video, we have the spreading of manure, which we do at the beginning of the growing season and the end on many of our fields for fertilization. After manure and planting, we watch and wait as things grow, and grow. Here's the evolution of one of our fields of grass. After the grass is grown, we get to mowing, and here we can see that happening right now. Once all the grass is cut, we use a merger that goes before our chopper so that we can merge the grass into rows. So here we see that happening now. For traveling between fields, the merger can be folded up, and as you can see right now, it's unfolding so that it's nice and wide and can maximize its impact in the field. The chopper and silage trucks follow behind the merger in the fields, and we can see that happening now. Once one truck is filled and heading back to the farm, another one is in place to keep the flow of grass moving. Here you can really see the front end of the chopper picking up that grass, and it would be loading the truck that this video is being taken from. Once the truck is loaded, it heads back to the farm where it can be unloaded at our bunkers, and we can see from the cab of the truck here, one of the trucks being unloaded and the grass getting pulled out on conveyor belts. I've sped this process up a little bit for you just so you can see all the grass moving, but it doesn't take as long. And just as fast as the trucks bring in grass, we are trying to pack it down and get as much filled in with this tractor here. And as soon as the truck's unloaded, it's back out to get reloaded. With grass that isn't cut and used for silage, it can be cut and made into hay. So here's a video of some grass that's been cut and laid down getting tedded. So it's getting fluffed up and dried out to make some hay. Here's a baler releasing one of many bales of hay. And when all the grass is gathered up and the bales are made, then they're loaded up and taken back into the farm. Once loaded up and driven back to the farm, it's then unloaded and stored in our hay barn. That's what's happening here. Moving on from grass, we have corn. So here's some of that growth. Started as seeds in the spring, now looks like this by the end of August. All the hard work in the fields is stored in our bunkers, as you can see here is one of them, and it'll then be fed to all the cows on the farm. Thanks so much for following along with some of what we do here at Ashworth Farms Limited in those busy summer months outside of the daily milking and routine with the cows. Hope you enjoyed!